Hey guys, it's Billy's RC here. In today's video we got a new unboxing, and this has been something I've actually been wanting for quite a bit now, and I've just got it in today. This in here is the Mugen Seiki MBX8 Nitro buggy. So a while now I've been on the hunt for a new Nitro buggy because my low C8 was actually wearing out and it wasn't really doing that well mechanically, and I wasn't able to fix some of the kinks that it's had in its lifetime. So I'm actually going to get that thing out real quick just to show you guys what I really mean by that. So getting it open. Also, by the way guys, this actually came from Horizon Hobbies, so oh my gosh, there it is. And no, this is not the World's Edition. This is actually just the regular Mugen Seiki MBX8. There it is. So I'm just going to take the box on the floor and get it out so I don't make the camera move or hit the camera stand. So actually, yeah, I'm just gonna get it out real quick and then get back to you guys. So here is the box. This is the Mugen Seiki MBX8 Nitro 1A scale racing buggy Nitro, I guess. Yeah, what did I really mean by I really needed a new Nitro buggy? Well, my low C8 that I've had before this really wasn't doing that great mechanically, and everything was just kind of wearing out, and it would take a lot of money for, you know, to get it back up to like where it was previously. And I honestly really didn't want to do that. I kind of just wanted to go for a brand new thing because honestly, like, it's just worth the money to get something better. And plus, I've had that thing for almost a year, and low C really isn't the best when it comes to racing, and I noticed that Mugen is really currently top of the line. So let's just get this thing open. Okay, it kind of opened weirdly there, but alright. And let's break the other seal. Alright, so sliding it off. We are greeted with an entire kit, so automatically I'm greeted by the body, which just feels and just looks awesome. What I'm really noticing right now is just the way it looks. Like, it's looking pretty, it looks way different than like every other buggy body I've seen. It's super wide, more wide than probably most of my A-scale bodies are, but that's fine. It's actually pretty cool looking. I like the cab design. I like kind of how the fuel tank opening right there kind of looks. It's got a different design than normal, or than what I'm used to looking at, like a low C or something. So here's the wing. I believe this is the ultra light wing or whatever it is, whatever it's called, the one where they put like certain cuts in it. So here's the fuel tank. Looking pretty good. Looks like, oh my gosh, it's got quite the recoil. Oh my god, dude. Okay, so I'm immediately noticing that there's a very unique design in there to make sure that fuel, I can't even remember what it's called, whatever that orange thing is in there, I can't even remember what it's called, but usually, oh yeah, the fuel filter. Yeah, usually Nitro cars will usually not even have anything like this to actually hinder that filter from moving, but it does feel pretty good in the hand. It does seem kind of small, but you know, we'll have to see how that works out. And we just got like the shocks right here. Okay, what I'm already noticing right now is actually, okay, wait, are these assembled? I doubt it. Okay, I doubt that these drive shafts right here are assembled, but you know, that might just be something else. But yeah, okay, so we got our fluids in here, all of our greases and stuff, and just a massive parts bag. So you know, you got the chassis guards, as you guys can see there, diffs, you know, kind of just everything. So I'm probably going to be doing a live build of this actually, so that'll be pretty interesting to see. And of course we have the chassis. So this is actually going to be the first time I ever build a Nitro kit, and I've disassembled and reassembled some of my stuff on my low C's before, so hopefully this will go not so rough, but if it goes rough, then I guess that's going to be the way it is. So okay, this is actually already open. So the manuals 4 Mugen cars I know are just okay. We also have some setup sheets. Yeah, just scrolling through this, let's see how many pages it's got for. Okay, so around 31 pages and an exploded view right there. So enough with the boring stuff. What I'm going to be running in this thing, I'm actually going to be running this brand new Atom SV1 engine and exhaust for this thing. And yeah, I know this is a low C air filter. I only put this thing on just because that's the only thing I had laying around. But hopefully I'll be able to put on the Mugen one when I'm done. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also, by the way, guys, this is just a Dynamite exhaust, which are currently really sold out right now, and they're really popular. So as far as electronics go, I've got a bag right here full of electronics. So I'm just kind of want to show you guys these real quick. For servos, I'm going to be running 2 of these Savox SC1258 TGs. This is just my go-to servo whenever I need a servo that I know that'll work. You know, I'm gonna slap one of these servos in and they'll work. So, and for receiver, I'm just gonna be running an old Spectrum receiver that I actually stole from a Losi. So, you know, that's good. I'm gonna reset all the parameters and trims and, you know, all that good stuff on my radio, just so I can be sure to get the best performance out of it as I can. So, yeah, putting this all back in. I don't know if I will be doing a live build or not, but tell me in the comments if you do want to see that, because I don't know. I didn't live build my last Mugen, but you know, whatever you guys want. So that really covers it for the unboxing, guys. I really don't have much more to say on this thing. I know it was kind of, I really didn't know what I was saying at all, because I'm honestly just really excited to have this thing. And yes, I do have tires for it now that I'm looking at it. I do have tires for it. I know what I'm going to be doing with this thing. And oh yeah, one more thing, guys. I know a lot of you have been waiting for my Mugen MBX8 review, and it is coming. Trust me, guys, it is coming. What I really need now, I already know what I'm going to say in the video. I just need to get track shots, so like, you know, like track filming shots, you know what I mean, so I can get a better, so I can show you guys kind of what I mean whenever I'm talking about certain things in the video. But you know, it is coming soon. I just really need to get some video clips from it. So yeah, so that really wraps up for this unboxing, guys. If you want to buy this car, it's on the pricey side if you're a new racer, but if you do want to check them out, I'll leave a link to the page in the description down below. That'll do it for me, guys. See you guys later.